I'm Dr. Linda Silbert. Welcome to my reading room, where everyone learns to read. I created the Strong Learning SuperDeck card games to help struggling readers. Despite their simple appearance, these small decks are powerful tools. They use the Orton-Gillingham approach and are game-based, which is the key to their success. We all understand the difficulty of motivating struggling readers to practice, especially those with dyslexia or ADHD. Reading is difficult for them. However, they have a natural inclination to play. This is where the SuperDecks come in. The games include memory, Go Fish, bingo, and more, with each deck focusing on a specific phoneme or pattern. You'll see that as they play, students start to read. Why? Their anxiety decreases and their focus increases because they want to win. So where do you start? If you're working with individual students or small groups of 2 to 6, begin with memory. Then gradually introduce Go Fish and then bingo, which adds writing practice. Even students are surprised when they start to read. They think that all they've been doing is playing. But we know better. It's not magic. It's the 3 Ps: purposeful, playful, practice. Click on this QR code for easy video directions and special tips. I'd love to hear from you and see how your students are doing.